Hi Bulldogs, welcome to the February edition of Bluebonnet Art, virtually. Today we're going to do a Polygon heart. And it doesn't have to be a heart shape, you can choose whatever shape you want to start. This is an example I did using a ruler and drew with a pencil first. I'm going to demonstrate with a Sharpie just so you can see. This is one I did just drawing it freeform, not using a ruler, estimating where the points were. You can see the difference. So I'm going to demonstrate how to do it symmetrically using a ruler as a measurement tool. Excuse me, not as a measurement tool, as a straight edge. So now I'm going to demonstrate. I'm going to first fold my paper in half. Now, if you'd rather not fold your paper, you can use your ruler to measure it, and then do the same thing on both sides and connect the lines with a light line that you can erase. But folding in half is quick. So now I'm going to use, I'm going to do half of a heart, right? I want to make it as large as possible. And then what I'm going to do now is add anywhere from 4 to 8 dots around the edge. I try to evenly distribute them as much as possible. They don't have to be perfect, but just estimate. I'm going to do 2, 3, 4, 5 for mine. Okay, and then at this point you're going to want to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to fold it this way, and you can either like hold it up to a window, tape it up to a window, or I'm actually going to use my tablet as like a light board. I got a white picture. I'm going to first draw the dots. Oops. Just look through and see the other side. Like I said, use a window. This is just a quick way to make a light board. I'm just going to trace the shape. And now, whoops. Now I've got pretty much the same thing on both sides. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, using my ruler, I'm going to make, well, first I'm going to connect some dots. I'm going to put a dot right here. I'm going to make a cross first. Go towards the middle or the lower middle. And then thinking about a cross shape, I'm going to put some dots evenly distributed there. I'll start with drawing the cross. Now when I hold my ruler, I like to hold it on both sides, or at least with 2 or 3 fingers, because it might move on you if you don't. Okay, there's my cross. Now I'm going to do my kite shape around it. And this is just going to give me several polygons to start with, and a reference point to make all my other polygons. Okay, so now I've got my kite shape. It's okay that I extended that one a little bit. No big deal. If you had a pencil, you could erase that. So now I'm going to put a dot right around here. I'm just kind of even in between all these 4 dots. Just estimate where that one is. Now I'm going to connect some dots. I'll connect that one to here. So polygons are triangles. Polygons are hexagons. There's a lot of different polygons. Triangle is the most simple one. So you're going to end up making a lot of those. Now I like to go ahead and copy what I did on the other side so I don't forget. I mean, you have some options here. You can make each side random, or you can kind of make it symmetrical and stick with the same on both sides. Since I'm kind of thinking of this as a math art project, I'm trying to make it a little more exact. So now I'm going to do another polygon over on this side, connecting 3 different lines. And then I'm going to remember those lines and go ahead and draw it on the other side so I have a symmetrical design going. And like I said, and you can do any number of combos here. That's what's fun about this project, is you can connect any number of lines to make whatever polygon you can. I'm going to connect this one here. I'm going to go ahead and do that one on the other side as well. I think I'll go from here to here. I could go across this way. You can do any number of combos. Maybe I'll connect these 2. And then at this point, I'm going to go ahead and just make sure I do the other side as well so I don't forget. Keep my shape symmetrical. Ooh, this might be cool. And it's fun to watch all the different shapes that appear when you do this. You know, you can see arrows, cubes, and all kinds of things. I could go across diagonally. So yeah, have fun with it. You can use any number of things to color. I like to use, for this example, I used markers, but you could also use, you know, watercolor paints, pastels, chalk. Possibilities are endless. So again, I'm just trying to make sure I do the same thing on both sides. And at any point I could stop and say, oh, I'm ready to start, you know, adding some color. Or I could keep going and make the polygon smaller and more compact. I'm seeing a cool idea right here. I'm going to go from here to there and do the same thing on the other side. Alright guys, so have fun. Like I said, if you don't have a ruler at home, you know, you can try to be, you know, estimate, but I recommend finding a straight edge, something you can use to make a straight line, and working on having a fun polygon heart, or any shape. Okay? So thanks for watching. Feel free to email me your work, and I can't wait to see it. Thanks.